Yes, students. So let's begin with the Children at Work part 2.2. In the previous video, what we have learned, we learned about part 2.1, what happened there. So here you can see Velu and his friend were sitting together. Okay, uh, they were not sitting, fine, they were standing there on the garbages, and they were just trying to have some words what they did in the previous, and here they are discussing, okay, what is going on. Okay, this is what I want to show you. Fine. So here in the first paragraph of this part 2.2, here in the previous video, his friend told him, here we are going to see a lot of peoples, okay, which were standing and somewhere enjoying in the wedding hall, and we can expect more food from them if they will eat whatever they are in the party, and they will keep it aside, and that food which is going to be bring outside, and they were going to dump it in garbage, and we will find some food from garbage, and we will start eating those food. After all, we should depend on these peoples rather than some fresh food. And this Velu, a boy Velu, is not aware about all these kind of things, that picking up the food from the garbage and filling his stomach. He is only aware about that how to get a food in a better manner, which is well served on a plate rather than finding it from a garbage. So he is using a phrase like, "Chi, I have to take a food from here. No, I don't have a practice of it." But his friend used to tell him, if you want to fill your stomach, it is only one option you can get here. Otherwise, you are not going to get food from anywhere. So you have to stay like this, and you have to collect the food from here itself. So let's begin what this paragraph says here. Hopes. Hopes is a word with exclamation mark. Yes, this is a word said by his friend, and she's telling, hopes we will get some food from here. Let's wait and watch. Okay, hopes, said the girl, shaking her thumb under his nose. She led him behind the hall. There was a big garbage bin overflowing with rubbish. Two goats were standing on the pile, fighting for a banana leaf. A cloud of flies buzzed around their legs. There was a rotten smell in the air, smelled so bad. The girl picked up a squashy banana and held it out to Velu. Here's your food, she says. Velu was shocked. Are we going to eat their leftovers? Chee, what do you think I am? A dog? I only take untouched food. Here's some more, catch. She threw him a vada. Velu looked at it with distaste. So here, a scenario of a garbage, what is going on? See, these both of them are standing on a garbage, a bunk of garbage, where you will get two goats. They were fighting for a banana leaf. They were just standing beside to this garbage, and this garbage was being dumped behind to a wedding hall, behind to a Kalyan Mandap. Okay, so they were collecting food. Okay, they were just finding a food from the dump, and they were keeping it somewhere inside their sacks, and they were eating. Now she's telling to Velu, hey Velu, just take and have a taste of it, and we should depend only on this kind of foods if you want to survive. So take this vada, and she's throwing a vada towards Velu, and have a taste of it. It is very nice, very interesting, but this Velu is not practiced with eating the food from somewhere in the garbage. यहाँ पर वेलू को कुछ भी नहीं पता था, मुझे यहाँ पर आने के बाद एक कूड़ेदान से खाना खाना पड़ेगा. सो वेलू इससे बहुत ही अनअवेयर था, उसे कुछ भी नहीं पता था क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है. उसे खाना खाना पड़ेगा इस तरह वो सोच भी नहीं सकता था. और यह लड़की वेलू को फोर्स कर रही थी, तुम्हें यही खाना खाना पड़ेगा बिकॉज तुम्हारे पास कोई और ऑप्शन नहीं है. तो यह वेलू को ये बताना चाहती है. फाइन. सो हेयर व्हाट वी See, see here in this next paragraph. Let's begin. Come on, hero, eat. Come on, hero, eat it. You think I like it? I told you I will find you something to eat. Don't think I have money to buy food for you. You would better eat what you get until you have your own money. So she is telling here, hey hero, I have told you that you should eat somewhere from the garbage, isn't or no? I just told you that I can fill your stomach whosoever it belongs to. What you are expecting, that I'm going to give you food from my own earning, from my own money? No, it's not going to be happen. Here, what I told, I'm going to give some food. Is it this? If you want to eat, then eat it. And you can eat your own food by purchasing it from your own money, what you will earn. So you should depend on yourself rather than on another. What I told you in the beginning of this story. So this is what she is telling here in the beginning of this journey. So ये बताती है तुम्हें अपने पर खुद भरोसा करना पड़ेगा, तुम्हें कुछ खाना यहीं गार्बेज से ढूंढ कर खाना होगा। तुम यह मुझसे एक्सेप्ट बिल्कुल मत करो कि मैं अपने पैसे से तुम्हें खाना खिलाऊं, क्योंकि मुझे अपने पैसे से कुछ और भी चीज़ें खरीदनी पड़ती है, तो मैं तुम्हारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी अपने ऊपर नहीं ले सकती। और जैसा कि मैंने तुमसे यह वादा किया था कि मैं तुम्हें खाना अवश्य खिलाऊंगी और यही खाना तुम्हें खाना पड़ेगा जो यहाँ गार्बेज, जो यहाँ कूड़ेदान में फेंका हुआ है। तो यह कहकर वैल्यू से ये अनुरोध करती है कि तुम्हें यह खाना बस खाना पड़ेगा अगर तुम जीवित रहना चाहते हो। नाउ लेट्स बिगिन विद द लास्ट पैराग्राफ। वैल्यू hesitated, but his stomach squeezed him again. He gulped down the banana and vada. His stomach felt better immediately. He could have eaten at least 10 times more, but the girl could find only one more banana, which she ate herself. So she is telling how they were finding continuously in the garbage heap. Okay, and they're finding each and everything in the garbage and they're getting more about the eatables. Now, okay, she's giving him a banana and a vada, okay, which was being served to the guest somewhere in the wedding hall, somewhere in the wedding function. Okay, but the girl could find only one more banana, which she ate herself, and the girl taken another banana and she could find another banana from the garbage heap and she eaten it by herself and she not given to him. So what it shows? It shows that this girl is selfish also, and she is not so caretaker of another person. So she is not a responsible. She can be selfish, and she only depend on herself, and she is not going to take the responsibility of other. So what the value is expecting about this? So here you will get some definition of difficult questions and difficult phrases. Let's read it out here. Squashy. Squashy means crushed. Okay, stomach squeezed him. It means he was very hungry. His stomach which was empty. इसका मतलब वह बहुत भूखा था और वह खाने के लिए तड़प रहा था. Okay, which is twitched, pained, and gulped down means swallowed quickly without chewing. Gulped down means they were so hungry, both of them, they were just gulping down that food rather than chewing it, okay, with the help of their teeth. So it shows that their hungerness for the food. वो इतने भूखे थे कि वह अपना खाना जो गार्बेज से छाना हुआ था वो उसे खा रहे थे. खाने का मतलब वो उसे निगल रहे थे, वो चबा नहीं रहे थे. इसका यह मतलब बनता है. Yes. Now let's read from here what it tells. It's too early. They have only eaten tiffin. If you are still hungry, you will have to wait for them to finish lunch. So she is telling to Velu, hey you Velu, it is too early. Now you are hungry. So what we have got from this garbage? Some vadas and some banana and banana leaves. That's it. So now you want to wait for a lunch. So you have to wait for another 2 or 3 hours because it's a time of a morning breakfast and it is too early. Now they are going to take a lunch after some times. And here this is what she is telling. If you are still hungry, you will have to wait for them to finish lunch. After finishing lunch, you will might get something to eat. Okay, now what this phrase tells here? You can wait if you want. I have to work. I am going. She picked up a couple of bottles from the heap and threw it into her sack. Then she walked off. She is telling here, if you want to wait here, you can wait for a lunch. Now I have a work. I want to go somewhere else to pick up the bottles and to keep same thing in the sack. Okay, okay, this is what she is telling here. और वो वैल्यू को ये बताती है कि अगर तुम्हें इतनी ही भूख लगी है, तुम्हें उनके खाने तक वेट करना पड़ेगा. जब उनके खाना खाने का वक्त पूर्ण हो जाएगा तो वह अपना ही बचा हुआ खाना इस कूड़ेदान में फेंक देंगे और तुम्हें उसी तरह छाट कर खाना पड़ेगा. तो उसी लिए तुम्हें यहाँ कुछ देर तक और विश्राम और ठहरना होगा. तो यह वो वैल्यू को बताती है. और मुझे तो बहुत काम है. मैं अपने बॉटल्स प्लास्टिक्स को कलेक्ट करने के बाद इस बोरी के अंदर डालने के बाद मैं इन्हें बेचना चाहती हूँ. तो इससे बेहतर होगा, तुम्हें इतनी भूख लगी है तो तुम यहीं वेट करो, तुम यहीं विश्राम करो, तुम यहीं ठहर जाओ. वह वैल्यू को बताकर चले जाती है. नाउ लेट्स बिगिन विद दिस पैराग्राफ. वैल्यू पैनिक्ड, realized that if the girl left him, he had no idea where he was and what to do. It was better to stick to her. She seemed to know her way around. He ran after her again. But he वेलू ये भी चालाक निकला. नहीं, मुझे खाने तक नहीं वेट करना, मैं तुम्हारा पीछा अवश्य करूँगा. अगर तुम मुझे कहीं इस अनजान शहर में छोड़कर भाग गई तो मुझे रात को कहाँ ठहरना होगा. तो यह तो मुझे पता नहीं, तो इसलिए मैं आई विल फॉलो यू एंड वॉट एवर यू डू आई विल डू द सेम थिंग. जस्ट ट्राई टू हेल्प मी, ट्राई टू डिपेंड ऑन माई सेल्फ. सो दिस इज वॉट ही इज एक्सपेक्टिंग फ्रॉम दैट गर्ल. Hey, he called. Who called? Velu called to this girl. Hey, he did not even know the girl's name. Hey, what is your name? He asked, burrowing behind her. She stopped and turned around. Oh, so you have been following me around without even knowing my name? My name is Jaya. So what kind of boy you are? You want to know my name? And you are just walking with me around and 2 or 3 hours and you don't know my name? My name is Jaya. Listen it, memorize it. Okay, in future it will work. Jaya, I am not following you. What then? What got you food? Can I come with you? Where are you going? Come if you want. This bag is full. I have to go home to get another one. Okay, you want to wait here for a food? No, I don't want a food. Now I want to follow you. Who says? Velu says to Jaya. Now Jaya, listen here. I want to follow you and I want to go to a place where you stay. Just give me some skill what you are doing. I will follow the same thing. I will do the same work what you used to do. Now this Jaya said, fine, then follow me. I have many work. I have to keep this full of sack in my home. And again I have to take another sack and I have to collect the same material from nearby. So it's more better if you follow me. So this is what she tells here. So here we have comprehension check. So here we have a completion of part 2. Now comes to comprehension check questions of part 2. So question 1 tell here, can Velu read Tamil and English? How do you know? Yes, Velu read Tamil. Okay, how we know? When he is standing outside a station, Chennai Central Railway Station. So he start reading the signboards which were written on the buildings, okay, in a Tamil language, not in English language. So from this we can judge that he can read Tamil instead of English. And the board of Central Jail is also written in Tamil, so he can read the Tamil in a fluent manner rather than English. So because Tamil is one of the mother tongue, that's why he is so familiar with this. Okay, now comes to question 2. Yes, if you are not careful, you will soon be counting bars there, the girl said. So here, based on this sentence, we have a question. What question? What is she referring to? She is referring to a central jail which is there in the Chennai, where burglars, even thieves and the person who do robbery, they used to kept there, okay, because of a punishment. So she's telling, if you do these kind of things, you might be kept inside the jail. So be aware about this. Okay. Now next question. What does she mean when she says, if you are not careful? She says something a little later which means the same. Find that sentence. So she's telling, if you are not careful, then you might be kept beside to the bars or under the bars. So you should take care about everything. And she's telling, you can do anything here in these cities, but careful, don't be caught by any policeman. If you were catched, you were be kept inside the jail. So she is insisting him, she is giving him a warning. So this what kind of things happen here in the city, so you should take care about this. Okay, now comes to third question. Where did the girl led Velu to? The girl led Velu to a Kalyan Mantapa. It means a wedding hall where the people were eating lunch, breakfast, and they were throwing the food somewhere in the garbages. They were collecting it from the garbage and filling their stomach. So why they came here? For filling their stomach. वो अपनी भूख मिटाने के लिए कल्याण मंडप, ओके, शादी के मंडप में आए थे, वहाँ पर उन्हें खाना मिल रहा था. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. What work have a question number 4. What work did she do? Think of a one word answer. She is a rag picker. Okay, so you can write rag picker. It means plastic bottles and all those things. She used to keep it somewhere in the sack. So we can consider that she is a rag picker. So students, here we have completed part 2. Okay, with its question and answer. Another video we are going to do part 3. So for the time being, watch it video once, twice, thrice, understand it, and complete this comprehension check question in your fair notebooks, okay, and have a revision of the same. So for the time being, take care, bye bye.